Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a G update. So this is a quick update on Venom. So recently the Venom Foundation CEO Christopher Louis came out to answer some questions relating to the transition of Venom from testnet to mainnet. So I'm going to show you guys the video, so please make sure to watch this video to the end because I'm going to emphasize on some mistake a lot of you are making towards this airdrop. So please make sure to watch the video.
Hello Venom community, and a special hello to Venom family. I hope you guys are doing well. It's been a long time, it seems like years, but I think it might have been 2 weeks. I was traveling, so my apologies for not communicating more frequently. Everybody's asking me when mainnet, and the answer is there is no fixed date yet. We're working very hard towards that particular date, and as soon as we get some news, you guys will be the first to know. In the meantime, things are going fine, more than fine. Our blockchain and testnets running tickety-boo like a Swiss clock. And the other thing, on my Twitter account, you may have seen me writing quite a lot about account abstraction. And why is this important? This is really important for financial institutions. Financial institutions, they need to express complicated financial products. And through account abstraction, this can be achieved. This is one of the superpowers that we have at Venom Network. I leave it there. Go check out stuff on my Twitter account. Please keep your engagement up. We appreciate it. And again, without your support, we would be nothing. So thank you guys, and see you later.
Alright guys, so you all heard it for yourself. There is no fixed date for Venom transition from testnet to mainnet yet. So what you need to do is to be up to date on their official handles, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you'll be up to date on Venom as well, because I'm a farmer of Venom. I also participated in the airdrop, so a lot of you following me because of Venom, you already know. Alright guys, so this is what I want to emphasize on. So a lot of you are losing hope on this project because of this and what your idolos are saying. So according to Venom Insider, this is going to be the tokenomics of Venom, how they are going to operate Venom. So for the community section, allocation is 22% is going to be allocated to the community. 1.5 billion Venom token is going to be allocated to the community. 10% is going to be unlocked. Why for the linear vesting, 9 months linear? So a lot of you are losing hope because your idolos are saying Venom is a waste of time because of 1 or 2 reasons. So quite all right, I believe this might be true, because anything rumor, before you know, it's likely to be true. So since you already started the Venom Network airdrop journey, why not finish to the end? Must you live your life around top influencers that are already making it? So a lot of you are losing hope because your idols say, don't waste your time on Venom. Venom is not going to cook. Don't waste your time. Just finish what you started. Based on my opinion, just finish what you started. Even at the end, if they are to give out $10 or $1, at least let us just come together and crucify them that you leaving Venom because one of your top idolos said Venom is not going to this, Venom is not going to that. You are wasting your time. Then at the end, you now miss out on Venom if Venom is to go big. So all these airdrop we are performing, we are just doing it with the mindset that the projects we are doing airdrop on are going to cook at the end. Quite alright, some airdrop are going to stress you and going to pay you big. Some airdrop will not stress you but will pay you big. Some airdrop will stress you and will not even pay you at all. Some airdrop will not stress you and will not pay you at all. So this is why we say potential airdrop reward at the end. So a lot of people are losing hope about Venom. So what I can say is that since you already started, just make sure to finish it. These same leaders or idols that you guys are following, still them will come out at the end to crucify Venom if it goes the negative direction. Still them will come out at the end to crucify you if Venom is to go towards the positive direction. So this is what you need to know. So just make sure to just finish the journey. So like I said, guys, I believe this, that it might be true, but we don't know how this project is going to cook at the end. So your idols or your leaders not participating in this campaign again, you should not compare yourself to them. Maybe performing tasks on this project and some projects with the mindset of getting an airdrop, to me, I feel it's important than wasting data. Sorry for saying wasting. Maybe using your data to do some other activities that you don't even have the mindset of it generating money for you. So I don't know if you understand. I'm not trying to savage anybody here, but I'm trying to give you guys the fact. So your idols are already top of the game. They have enough funds. That is what you just know. So you coming into the space, you have gone far, then at the end you just lose hope because of one or two tweets, one or two posts. Man, that is very wrong. So I participated in C and I got 0.1 C, but still yet, guys, I'm still grinding. I'm still making sure I participate in any campaign. It's better to see the end product than to just hang on the road because of one or two reasons. So I don't know if you understand me. I'm trying to make a point here. If you want to leave the campaign, it's fine by you, but at least you'll make sure you see the end product before you conclude. So if Venom cook or not, I'm going to still grind. I'm going to still give you guys updates. There are a lot of projects that we are also participating in. If this is to fail us, still yet I know that the other projects are not going to fail us. So I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.